Hey guys, it's Danny back here. How you doing with Simple Man Designs? I am shooting the rigid part. I got it up to spec, so it should be right on perfect size. And I should be getting my Tornado TiVo or TiVo Tornado in the mail today, or by Amazon. So I'll do a build video on how to put it together and all that stuff. I told you guys I'd make a video. I would try to every day to kind of check in, and anybody that had any questions about their Ender 3 or any problems with parts. So today I thought, well, I hadn't used the PETG yet, and you know, I'm fairly novice. I mean, I've had some practice. I wouldn't say I was a beginner, but I'm not a Shep or a Chris or a Maker's Muse. So I mean, I do got some time to learn and hone my skills, but I wanted to let you guys know that I started using PETG, and I put it in the machine, and this part back here kept making a noise. It kept going like a clicking noise, and it wouldn't suck in the PETG. Well, what had happened was I had took my extruder nozzle and my extruder head and stuff, and had moved the bed up so it would so I could make a helicopter part for my son, one of the pool helicopters. Well, when I did, I think what was happening is that the nozzle was so close to the bed it wasn't allowing the PETG to come out. So I'm gonna have to try that again, because that's the ultimate. I want to ultimately finish up printing with the PETG to make this part. And you're able to do slight adjustments too, like while you're making. Let me bring my light down here. You're able to make slight adjustments with your printer as you're printing. You can raise your bed up and down a little bit. I wouldn't do large and quick movements. I would just do short burst ones, so they don't get too messed up. But this is looking good. This part's looking pretty good. I think what I see right now, the design is the honeycomb. I changed my infill to a honeycomb type, so it's kind of trying to make that a little bit. And I just feel like the honeycomb is better than the grid type, so that's why I switched to that. But yeah, I just wanted to check in and let you guys know that I'll be doing the Tornado, or the TiVo Tornado. I don't know why I keep saying that. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning here in Ohio, so I'm like half asleep. I'm tired. I worked all night last night, so. But that's what I wanted to let you guys know, that I'll be doing the build today. So anybody that's interested or looking forward to getting one, because I did my homework, and a lot of guys love that printer. They said it was just amazing printer, because it just, you know, it did everything the CR10 did, but it also was more modernized, more smooth. Like the CR10 is like the grandpa, and this is like the dad, and like this little Ender's like the child. So just bear with me. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos and a lot of reviews on a lot of different things, so just hang in there with me, and we'll go through this together. Any questions you got, I will be glad to answer them. And keep in mind that once I get 10,000 subscribers, I'll be giving away an Ender 3 Pro, and once I get 20,000 subscribers, I'll be giving away a CR10, and maybe so on and so on after that. We'll try to do a maybe if I can get up to 100,000, which I doubt. It don't look like anybody likes watching me now, just a few people trying to find what they're looking for. But if I do get up there, we'll try to do a CR10 max. So let's keep pushing and pushing and pushing. And if you do watch my video, hit the like button and stomp the subscribe button with your Sasquatch foot. This is Danny, and I'll see you guys later.